was great to bring the kids over here to actually see hard skills blending along with soft skills and like future career possibilities for the kids.
I'd always regret it if I didn't do something like this. You know, it's just little things. It's the little things I think doing this. Just experience. That's all. It's experience. I love doing this kind of stuff. Just looking around, seeing how things kind of work and build.
To see behind the walls and to see all the electrical and the plumbing and the framing and the concrete work, it's great.